Lee of TimeRider's Wee Little Cars is hosting another bad Tampo build. I've selected this Hot Wheels 63 Split Window Corvette to get rid of those ugly tampos on. Those are extremely ugly, and they gotta go. You can tell it's a beautiful car, and they've just destroyed it with those tampos. So let's see what we can do with this. I didn't want to get too fancy with the interior. You'll see why later, but I did want to change the steering wheel, so I put a 3D printed steering wheel in there for a little bit more detail. Makes it look a lot better. It's a small change. Then I did go with Deja Blue, Testors X-Treme Lacquer. That was over a metal cast base coat. I added some details, but I decided I was going to make a Redline, so I didn't get too carried away. I did end up making my own bearings out of some scrap tubing, scrap plastic tubing and scrap brass tubing that was round, and used the original axles through that. I probably could have 3D printed bearings. I'll have to check online to see if they're out there. That probably would have worked better. There you can see what I ended up with. But it worked. They were the right size. Then it was time for gauzy, gauzy, gauzy. The windshield was in pretty good shape, but it did have a rough spot that I polished out prior to dunking it in the gauzy. And the gauzy took care of any remaining rough spots and just gives it such a wonderful shine. And once the gauzy dries up, it's time for assembly. So there you see the body. It's looking pretty good. I didn't get too carried away with detail. I thought about doing the trim around the windows and that kind of thing, but a Redline wouldn't have that. So I left that out, which obviously also makes it a little bit simpler of a build. I think the wheels are looking pretty good. I think there's the right amount of detail on there, so just time to screw it back together. I'd like to thank TimeRider for hosting another one of these bad Tampo builds. They're a lot of fun. And be sure and check out his build and all the other people participating in this. It's interesting to see what people dig out as the bad Tampo that they want to change. And I have to say, most of the bad Tampo builds I've seen, they've been really bad Tampo cars. There's been no question about it. Like in this case, you know, here's the one I started off with. And that's just flat out disrespectful to that Corvette to do that to it. Hot Wheels should be ashamed of themselves. Yeah. Of course, I hope you like mine. I hope you don't think I made it worse. Hopefully you think I showed this car the respect it deserves. I think everybody would love to own this car. It's such a classic car. It's such a special car. So there's what I ended up with. I hope you like this build. I'll have a lot of fun doing Corvettes. And, geez, I just did the Corvette wagon not that long ago. And here I am doing another Corvette. But all these little things are fun. So, Happy New Year to everybody. You know, finally 2020 is behind us. Thank you for supporting this channel. Thank you for watching my videos. I really enjoy producing them, and I hope you enjoy watching them. I look forward to doing a lot more of them this year. So thanks for coming along, and if you don't already subscribe to the channel, please subscribe. I'd like to also take a moment to thank my Patreon members. I really do appreciate your support through all of this. And it really means a lot to me, everybody who watches these. Don't forget, we also have the 3 Blind Mice Gaslands build coming up. That's February 6th. So everybody stay safe and healthy out there. And I'll catch you in the next one.